Welcome back to Huntsville. Let's check out the ARRL booth. Hey everybody, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh, AA4WX. Thanks for tuning back in. Welcome to Huntsville, Alabama once again. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, the like button, all that good stuff. But figured we'd take a quick walk through the ARRL section. Now a lot of this is getting torn down already because as of this recording it's about 12:15. But this is the ARRL National Convention this year. You can see you got radio sport and card checking, you've got the education and learning section. Look at this, you got the ARRL lab in the house with the lab coats on. They do all kinds of experimentation for amateur radio, things like that. Here's the ARRL Southeast Division. You've got the ARRL store here. Now, some of this has already been torn down again. Like I said, David Minster's sitting over there. But you got the store here with t-shirts and different things, books. There's Part 97, the antenna book, kinds of good stuff. License manuals. All right. So honestly, I'm a little late to the party. Not much to see in the ARRL booth, but that's all right. Why don't we run through the GigaParts booth just to give you a little bit more content here, instead of breaking that into a second video. Guys, GigaParts is a great supporter of HamShackTV, and I'd appreciate it for you when you shop at GigaParts.com. You can let them know you found GigaParts through HamShackTV. If you use coupon code HamShackTV, you get double rewards points, but not only do you get double rewards points, you can also get the GigaParts Rewards Plus program. And what that does is that gives you a perpetual warranty, 60-day return window, all kinds of great benefits. GigaParts.com, use coupon code HamShackTV50. That'll give you half off your first month of GigaParts Rewards Plus. So let's take a look around here. You got the Explorer series battery boxes. Everything I'm showing you here, you'll be able to get off of GigaParts.com. These Explorer boxes are great. You got Anderson power poles everywhere. Here's the Explorer QRZ1. What a great starter rig. The 33-foot carbon fiber mast. You got the 20-foot carbon fiber mast. Here's the modular backpack. This is what I picked up the other day. You've seen that featured in the POTA kit video that I just released. And then you've got all these little add-ons that you can put on your backpack for holding your rig, that kind of stuff. Really cool stuff. You got Rig Expert here. Got these power hubs and distribution blocks. Intellitron SWR watt meters. You got the power supplies. There's an antenna rotor. The desktop mic. These are great. Here's your key. If you want to learn how to do Morse with straight key, that's a great device to do that. $64 for code practice there. Now keep in mind the prices that you see here are probably show special, so keep that in mind. Now I'm about to go on an endeavor of learning CW, and I'm probably going to use a paddle. The paddle makes more sense to me. Messi and Ploney coax, it doesn't get any better than Messi and Ploney coax. You can use coupon code HamShackTV, get you double rewards points for the Messi and Plony Coax. They got the books here as well. They got a few antennas as well. 45-liter Molly backpack. I don't think this is Explorer branded. It's definitely a different look. 117 different tool kit with an electric screwdriver kit. And the man right there breaking down. It's already time to go home almost. So anyway, if you come through Huntsville, guys, stop by GigaParts. It's one of my favorite places to go in Huntsville. And not just because they're a great supporter of the channel, but because it's good stuff. I can find almost anything I want at GigaParts. Almost anything I want. So check them out, gigaparts.com. Coupon code HamShackTV. Get you double rewards points. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Let me say thank you once again for the second year in a row, Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League, for funding this tour, for supporting this tour. They've been great partners, James and Andy and Catalina and all the gang over at World Radio League. I appreciate them. WorldRadioLeague.com, best logging software out there. It doesn't get any better than World Radio League. Check them out, WorldRadioLeague.com. Start for free, no charge, no commitment. And if you really like it, you're going to want the additional features that World Radio League gives you. Use coupon code HamShackTV, and you'll get 10% off your World Radio League membership. Also, Ham Radio Prep, if you're looking to get your ham radio license, maybe upgrade something to that extent, you need to go do that at hamradioprep.com. Coupon code HamShackTV gets you 10% off. They're already great prices, and you know what? They're so confident they can help you pass your tech test or your upgrade test. They offer a money-back guarantee. See website for details, hamradioprep.com. Again, guys, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for coming along. The next HamFest for me, I'm thinking about Stone Mountain. I haven't committed to that yet. I might do it, but for sure, the next HamFest for me, February, back in Orlando, Florida. So, appreciate your support. See you in the next video, 73, 884WX, WSCB 693.